Kevin, the fun times. Remember? 5 minutes or so.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Bodge.
Oh, I know, it's too much, isn't it? I just want to do something a little different this time, you know?
Yeah, that was me. I just missed it.
All you had to do was stand up.
Alright, Jess.
See, I feel like we've just been getting a little different this but again, please. Again, we come a little distant as well. That wasn't the voice, was it?
Oh, Jesus Christ, Bosch. What are you doing? No, that's not.
Yeah, again, straight back in. Straight back in.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Bosch. What?
Bodge.
Bodge. Bodge.
Bish bash bodge.
Why am I saying Bosch?
Fuck! Is it a fuck? Good start. Roll. Well, that makes sense because clearly I've walked 60 miles so that I can walk my fucking Mars duo home to show up. With me. Show up. God! Oh! Mars bar! Mars duo! Fuck. Went the wrong way.
He's hooked. He's hooked. He's hooked himself. Are you happy with the angle?
I think so, yes.
Yes.
As
Then
long
camera
as
is
everything
rolling.
comes in the right spot.
Yes. Then camera is rolling.
I think so. Maybe. Maybe not there. Oh, you've got sleep.
Okay, this is slow.
Okay, we'll do it again, that's fine. This time is all. We feel like we've been down.
You
down,
don't-
down.
The cue line for Ben is you know, and you don't.
Maybe we could, do fuck. Sorry.
Everything was perfect on that one. You shut it up.
Do something a little different as well. See, I just thought we'd get a little distant lately, and I wanted to reignite the flame or something, Different lines.
Entirely different.
See, I just feel like we haven't quite been ourselves lately, and that we might be growing a little distant as well. I did it! How did we look?
That would be a nice position. And I'm just going to remove this UV filter so I don't get as much glare. Come on. Come on, you bastard. You came off easily before. There we go.
Let's hope we get it right, boys.
Boom is in shot. Boom is good.
Remember the good times we used to have at home? Like when you brought Tommy home for the first time and I threw up in his shoe? Or when I pooed and... I've really ruined this, I'm sorry. So sorry. Start again. Remember the good times we used to have? Like when you brought Tommy home for the first time and threw Remember the good times we used to have? Like when you brought Tommy home for the first time and I threw up in his ear? Or when I pooed and shit, don't why? You ruined me. I was so good.
No, you weren't. You got it wrong.
You were doing so badly.
No, before. Remember the good times we used to have? Like when you brought Tommy home and I threw up in his ear? Or when I pooed in Jake's trainers every day for a month until he left you? Well... what the... Fuck!
Ow!
I said well, and I don't know why! Remember the good times we used to have? Like when you brought Tommy home for the first time and I threw up in his ear? Or when you brought Jake's trainers every day. Again!
Oh look, security's decided to show up. What's that? I need to leave? And why is that? Because the sales assistant has less intelligence than a badger with the... Ah, fuck. Oh, but hold on. 1 sec. Fuck. Well, I've... fuck.
Oh, you silly cat.
My eyes!
Did I poke him in the eye again?
Yes!
You blocked the
You
light.
need
Why won't you love me? Oh no! Oh no!
That's all right. We done it. We done it.
Okay.
First
Okay,
one.
okay.
First one already done. Oh, praise the stars. I can't wait to get out of here, honestly. Oh, what a day. Oh. Is anyone going to catch me?
Why are they all the same character?
Ah!
Ready to die. And fly away. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. There go.
Yeah?